Here's the same long-form review script style rewritten for the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 400, with your channel name Zig Wheel. Welcome to Zig Wheel. Today we're turning our attention to one of Kawasaki's most popular sport bikes, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 400. Known for its balance of performance, style, and everyday usability, the Ninja 400 has long been the go-to choice for riders who want sporty thrills without sacrificing comfort. The 2026 model refines this formula with sharper design, enhanced performance, and updated features. Let's take a closer look at why the new Ninja 400 is set to dominate its class. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 400 brings in a more aggressive design inspired by its bigger siblings in the Ninja family. The front fascia now features sleeker LED headlights and sharper bodywork, giving it a race-bred appearance. Aerodynamic refinements improve stability at higher speeds, while new paint schemes and graphics add to its sporty appeal. The updated styling makes the Ninja 400 look like a true supersport, but still approachable for everyday riders. Performance and powertrain. At its core, the 2026 Ninja 400 continues to use its proven 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering smooth power with an exciting mid-range punch. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the engine for improved fuel efficiency and a slightly stronger throttle response, making it even more fun in city rides and highway cruising. The lightweight frame and sporty suspension setup ensure agile handling, while the assist and slipper clutch allows smoother gear shifts and reduced rider fatigue. Whether you're a beginner stepping into sport bikes or an experienced rider looking for a balanced machine, the Ninja 400 delivers. Safety and technology. The new Ninja 400 isn't just about performance, it comes equipped with modern features to enhance rider confidence. A fully digital LCD instrument cluster provides clear ride data, while all LED lighting improves visibility day and night. ABS is standard, offering extra braking safety, and Kawasaki's chassis design keeps the bike stable and predictable in all conditions. With low running costs and Kawasaki's proven reliability, the Ninja 400 makes for both a practical and exciting choice. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 400 combines sharp styling, sporty performance, and everyday usability into one of the best mid-range sport bikes on the market. It's stylish enough to turn heads, powerful enough for weekend thrills, and practical enough for daily rides. Whether you're upgrading from a smaller bike or seeking a versatile sport machine, the Ninja 400-2026 is ready to impress. Stay tuned to Zig Wheel for more reviews, updates, and first looks at the motorcycles that matter most. Do you want me to also create the SEO clickbait YouTube package, title, description, key features, covered titles, keywords, hashtags, for the Ninja 400-2026, just like I did for the Honda 125i and Super Cub?